to sell personalized wedding gifts on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products and a lot of sellers making a lot of money from selling those products. So let's just check one of these products pages, like this one, this product, which costs a lot of money, as you can see in here. It costs a lot of money. It's $1,000+, more than $1,000, as you can see in here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a shop page exactly like this one for your product, how you can add the price of your product, and how you can add the items details, how you can add description for your product, and how you can set the shipping and return policies. So let's just go back to the main page. Click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. So here we start with the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you can choose the shop's language, shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to choosing a name for the shop. And then I'm going to remove the spaces between words, and the name is still long. Personalized wedding gifts, and it's still long. So I'm going to do this. So you can't add special characters. Personalized with gift. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to remove the I, then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is adding some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. See, before filling or adding the product's photos and details, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And we have 4 required fields in here. First, the photos, as you can see. So here, at least you will need at least to upload 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, where you will need to enter a price for the product. Then we have the listing details, and here you will need to fill these red fields. Then we have the shipping, and same as listing details, you will need to fill these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can, so where you can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations, so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the title. So here, give your product a title. Then you answer these 3 questions: who made it, and what is it, then when did you make it, not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then for the category, just type your product's name, and then you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So here you have gifts for the couple, cutting boards, signs, digital prints, ornaments. So let's choose gifts for the couple. Then we have the primary color of the product, the secondary color, occasion, wedding, obviously. Then we have the holiday. If there is any, you can choose it in here, and the wedding theme. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to choose an automatic renewal or a manual one, which is free, the automatic costs 20 cents each time. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then we have the description. So here, guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners, if you want to add any. Then we have these 3 categories: the section, tags, and materials. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here you choose the price of your product, and then so this is just an example, guys, for a price. Then you move on to the shipping. So here you make sure to fill these red fields as I said before. And then we have the returns and exchanges policy. So here, if you want to choose the 30 days policy, click on apply. If not, you can choose another one by creating your own, and you will decide what to accept and what to refuse, the time frame, and all of that. So here you have from 7 days up to 90 days to choose from. And when you're done, you click on save and apply. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.